Okay, it is coming. This is very exciting.
Maybe we should move over.
This is crazy. Yeah, it's gone. Oh, I see smoke. Oh, blow its whistle.
I'm going to be right out here.
Okay.
So probably as the train goes by, you're going to get your best picture that
Going
way.
away. Yeah.
Going
Yeah,
away
that's
from
what
you.
I'm thinking, yeah.
Okay.
I also just want to have a YouTube channel that I would post on.
So you can get it going away, then we can reverse the video and look like it's coming right at you.
It is coming. Really want to hear that whistle. Here it comes. Yeah, this person has time. Now he's gonna start walking. That's crazy. Okay, gonna start getting back now. Georgia, it's pretty wide. It'll come
I
like,
know.
yeah.
Yeah, you guys are fine.
It's gonna be cool. Okay, zoom out.
There's someone on the back of the train.
Yep. Oh, the float's whistle. There it is. Yeah. Yes. This is awesome. Don't go there. Oh, he blows his whistle. It's gonna be loud. Wow. That is crazy.
All right, thanks. You too. Take care.
Wow.
That's crazy.
That is amazing.
Cool.
I got that perfect shot of it
I'm
coming.
shaking
The
with
people,
how
it was so
happy
cool
I am.
to see the people waving.
I'm literally shaking with how
Look at that
it's...
little scene going on there.
I know. Wow, this is awesome.
It was so cool to see the people waving.
This is
Yeah,
awesome.
don't step back whenever
Yeah.
you Cool.
Yep. Oh my
Okay.
god, we gotta see it coming back at 10. Georgia, at 10:57, it's gonna be